Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in seeing these chewy, delicious Haitian treats, then continue watching. To make our tablet pistach or peanut brittles, you are going to be needing about 1.5 to 2 cups of roasted peanuts. I did roast mine myself. That's why you see some of them are darker than the other. If you don't want to roast yours, you can buy one of these bags, but make sure you buy the unsalted ones if you do decide to buy your own roasted peanuts. And of course, you want to peel the skin and whatnot, and you can use that instead. That will save you a lot of time also. And I have 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. This is fresh grated ginger. 3 tablespoons of butter. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And I have about 1.5 cup of brown sugar. I'll be using a pinch of salt. I'll be using about 1 teaspoon of almond extract and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I have 1 cup of water that I'll be using, but if you want, you can substitute the water for some carnation milk. Don't forget to check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. So first thing you are going to want to do is turn your stove on to medium high. We will be turning it down to low once everything is heated nicely. And now I am going to put in the water. I already went ahead and put the sugar. I know it's a lot of sugar. You guys know me. I love to stay fit, but during the holidays, there's some things that we just have to give into, okay? This is not something we'll be eating every single day. This is just a little holiday treat that we like to treat ourselves with. And to that, I'm going to put the the freshly grated ginger, and just stir everything. And now you want to go ahead and put in that ground cinnamon. You know, that's the powder, so it's sometimes hard to stir in with liquid. So just take your time and just make sure you mix that well. As you can see, it's starting to dissolve just like that. So now I am going to allow that mix to cook for about 5 minutes, and we can add our peanuts after that 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and add your butter. I know I had told you guys 10 minutes, I believe, but I did cut it down to 5 minutes because that liquid was starting to get a little thick with that sugar. It had started to caramelize a little bit. And I don't want to do that until I put that peanuts in. So as you can see, I added that butter. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my peanuts. Everybody makes this different, guys. Of course, you know, every recipe, everybody have their own way of making it, way our mothers or grandmothers showed us. But there's really no wrong way. At the end of the day, we get the same results, okay? I just like to add ginger to mine because I like that ginger taste. And you guys know I was trying to make you guys the coconut one. And if you follow me on my other social media platform, you know I tried. I went to each of our grocery stores here to grab a coconut, and every single one of them were bad. I have like a pinch of salt. Every single one of those dang coconuts were so bad. I'll add a teaspoon of that almond extract just because I love the smell of that. And I'm going to turn down the heat to about low. We are going to allow it to cook for about 10 minutes or until it caramelized. 1 teaspoon of that vanilla extract. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel before you leave. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. You will not regret it, I promise you guys. And if you haven't tried any of my other recipes, go ahead and do so over the holidays. Please send me some pictures that put a big smile on my face when I receive pictures from you guys. I do really appreciate that. But we are going to turn this heat down to about low and let this cook for about 10 minutes. You guys can see what's going on. You can see it is getting thicker and thicker. This is exactly what we are looking for. Of course, the longer it cooks, the darker that sugar will get because it is burning the sugar, of course. But I like mine a little darker. If you don't want yours to be like that, go ahead and skip that water and just melt your brown sugar. Once it's melted and you add your butter and whatnot, then you can add your peanuts. But I like my peanuts to cook a little bit. That's why I put that water in mine. Okay, and it's been about 15-20 minutes, and I am going to give it another 5 minutes until it's a little stickier than this. And I have a cutting board set up. I kind of wet it with a little bit of water just so that it don't stick to the bottom. So I'm going to continue to stir it so it does not burn. Okay, and then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into this. Obviously one spoon at a time, but I want it to just be a little stickier than this. As you guys can see, most of that water is gone. Now it's just a big lump of peanuts and sugar. Exactly what we are looking for. I think I might go for another minute or two because I want them to dry pretty fast. Continue stirring. This is one thing you're going to want to stir and stir and stir. You don't want to leave it alone at all. And it is going to take you a bit of time. Again, if you add the water especially, it's going to take a good 20 minutes of constantly stirring. You guys know good things are not made easy. If you haven't, please go follow us on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. And also on Snap. Send me some pictures. Send me snaps of your foods if you try my recipes. Okay. I really love that. So keep stirring. You see that? Okay, so now it's really time to transfer it to that cutting board. Now it's just a big thing of caramel with some peanuts. So I'm going to take a spoonful. Again, my cutting board is wet with a little bit of water. I hope you guys can see. Yes, you can. And just take a spoonful and place it down. These used to be my favorite things when I was little. But I do like the coconut ones better. I'll try to still look for coconuts, and if I can find a good one, I'll make that recipe for you guys also. And if you are interested in seeing how I make my homemade caramel, I did make the video for the Creole channel, but go ahead and like this video and let me know down below if you are interested in my caramel video. I know there's a lot of caramel recipes on YouTube, but they hardly have them in Creole, so that's why I did the Creole one. So I'm now going to allow them to cool down for about 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. I'm not sure how long these might take to cool down, but once they harden, I'll come back and show you guys what they look like. All right, guys, these are pretty much done. They are not cooled down completely yet, so they're still going to be a little sticky. And because I add water to mine, they are going to be a little bit on the chewy side, which is exactly how I like it. I don't want to bite into something that's going to break my teeth, but this is how I like mine. And I'm going to break a piece off. Like I said, they are still warm. They are going to get a little darker, but these are so delicious. I can't speak because I'm so excited. These are so delicious inside a piece of bun. You can make a little tablet sandwich and enjoy that. Again, they are going to be chewy, but they taste absolutely delicious. And so remember, when you make these, to have a lot of patience, and you will love the result. But this will do it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to stay safe. I love you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.